Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chorizo sausage. First, let's prepare our ingredients. If you are using fresh chorizo, carefully remove its casing. You can do this by making a small, shallow cut down one side, then peeling it away. For cured chorizo, you typically leave the casing on, unless your recipe specifies otherwise. Having your chorizo at room temperature ensures more even cooking and better texture. This simple step makes a big difference in the final dish. Pan frying is an excellent method for fresh chorizo, perfect for tacos or breakfast dishes. Start by heating a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add the chorizo, breaking it into smaller pieces with a wooden spoon or spatula. Cook the chorizo for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is thoroughly browned and crispy. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit to guarantee it is safely cooked. This method brings out its rich, spicy flavors beautifully. For cured chorizo, often enjoyed as a tapa, searing brings out its intense flavors and creates a delightful crispiness. Slice your chorizo into coins, about 1/4 inch thick. Heat a dry, non-stick pan over medium-high heat until very hot. Place the chorizo slices in a single layer and sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are slightly caramelized. You can also roast whole cured chorizo in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes for a different texture. Now that your chorizo is perfectly cooked, it is time to enjoy it. Fresh chorizo, with its crumbly texture, is fantastic in breakfast burritos, scrambled eggs, or as a topping for nachos. Cured chorizo, when seared, makes a wonderful addition to charcuterie boards or simply enjoyed on its own with a slice of bread. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This way, you can enjoy its delicious flavors again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.